My name's Robert Kelly. I'm going to teach you what I've taught myself about free mounting a 29-inch wheel with a brake. Makes life much easier. Back when I first started riding a unicycle, I had just a small 24-inch unicycle, no brakes, and now I've gone to a 29-inch Muni unicycle, mountain unicycle, but I don't actually ride it off-road in any real capacity. It's dropping over a gutter or going over some dodgy gutters or rough terrain a bit is all I plan to do on it. So I take advantage of the brake and the large diameter wheel, which is kind of what I'm talking about today, with the brake enabling me to mount in a different way. And so that's what I'll cover. So this is the way I mount now with this unicycle. I get my leg about here, where it's the contact point on the ground, which you can see just down there as it deforms. That is sort of in line through my leg. And whilst you might think, oh, I should mount this way, not that I've thought deeply about it, but this is just the way it ends up happening. And so I step up, and then I put my foot onto the wheel without actually moving, because everything stays the same, because I've got my finger here on the brake. And then I put my foot on, I do a pivot to head in the direction I need to go, and start pedaling. So I'll show you that. Okay, so first thing I'll do, just to add, is make sure that this pedal's in a nice position where I can step onto it. And so the wheel's kind of large, so I need to kind of rock forward and backwards just to get enough momentum to step over a large diameter. So step back on, put my foot on, and pedal. Feel the pressure. If you just sort of step this, you'll be able to feel that. Keeping the brake on. And so here I'm actually setting myself up for a bit of a challenge. I'll put that nice and level, a bit easier. And so now just sort of practice like this. And then when I do step on, I'm going to get to here, pivot, and then ride, or at least get to here, put my foot on, pivot, then ride. So there's a little bit of a skill in that. But with unicycle, it's not meant to be too easy. Okay, so this is just another take of that. Foot here, prepare the pedal so I can step onto it. Feel the stepping on. If I was actually to step on like this, with it off to the side, it's sort of, I mean, it's just as possible. I mean, I can give that a go. So one reason why you want to use this method is you can mount on terrain which is not very friendly, like this. So I hope this has helped you. If you've got a brakes, then you can mount in slightly more difficult terrain, and you don't need to have as much predictability. So I hope that's helped you.